Question 17 reads, in the xy plane, line L passes through the origin and is perpendicular to the line 4x plus y equals k, where k is a constant. If the two lines intersect at the point t, t plus 1, what is the value of t? This is one of my all-time favorite coordinate geometry problems because you really have to use your full skill set to do this problem. Alright, to get started, let's go back through that question because it has a lot of really good information. So line L passes through the origin and it's perpendicular to this line. And then the two lines intersect at this point, meaning both lines contain that point. So that's all the really good information we have to work with. Okay, let's get started. So the easiest thing to start with is that line L is perpendicular to this line 4x plus y equals k. When two lines are perpendicular, of course their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. So let's find the slope of this line. If we have 4x plus y equals k, I'll move the 4x over to the other side so it's in proper slope-intercept form. And we get y equals negative 4x plus k. So the slope of this line is negative 4. Meaning that the slope of our mystery line L, so the slope of mystery line L here, has got to be equal to the negative reciprocal of negative 4, or positive 1/4. So now we have the slope. What other information do we have? Well, we know that the line passes through the origin, so it contains the point 0, 0. When you've got a point and you've got a slope, the next place to go is point-slope formula. So remember, that's y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where the x and the y stay x and y, and the x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point that you know. So let's plug in everything we have. Y minus 0 is equal to 1/4 x minus 0, or to write this more simply, y is equal to 1/4 x. So now we have the full slope-intercept form equation of that mystery line L. Now the next step is to use this information. If the two lines intersect at the point t, t plus 1, what is the value of t? Well, both lines have to contain that point x, y, t, t plus 1. Now we have the formula of both lines, but one of these formulas is more useful than the other one. This one has an unknown k in it, and this one we have explicitly solved. So let's use the one that we've worked so hard to solve for, and that doesn't have a mystery k in it. The equation of line L, y equals 1/4 x. Okay, for this point t, t plus 1 to be on this line, that means that that xy point has to be a solution to the equation. So we'll plug in t plus 1 for y, and we'll say it's equal to 1/4 t, plugging in t for x. All right, now we can just solve for t. Let's multiply both sides by 4. 4t plus 4 is equal to t. I'll subtract 4t from both sides and get 4 is equal to negative 3t. And then finally, to get t by itself, we'll divide both sides by negative 3 and get 4 over negative 3 is equal to t. So that means that t is equal to negative 4/3 a. And that's how you do it. Please continue to check out more Mindfish videos.